SRM Valliyamai Engineering College, autonomous from June 2019. Courses offered here are BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE Computer Science and Engineering, BE Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, BE Mechanical Engineering, BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BE Tech Information Technology, BE Civil Engineering, BE Agricultural Engineering, BE Medical Electronics. Scholarships offered here are, as per the norms of the government, scholarships are given to the student of BC, MBC, SC, ST from Government of Tamil Nadu. And for SC, ST, SCA and SCC, fee concession, annual income must be below 2.5 lakhs. And for SCC, annual income must be below 2 lakhs. For BC, MBC, DNC scholarship only for the government quota students, and the annual income must be below 2.0 lakhs. Minority scholarships, Muslims, Christians and Jain, MGMT and government quota students, first graduate students are not eligible for this. Former scholarships, center sector scholarships for merit students and above 80% in higher secondary course. Fees concessions by management. Tuition fee concession are given to students of economically backward section and wards of for college staff members and for sports talented students. Available in these colleges are medical facility. SRM Multi-Speciality Hospital is situated inside the campus. Hospital has fully equipped modern operation theatre complex with laminar flow facility in huge area of building where all major surgeries of all surgical modalities are performed. Hostel. There are 2 separate hostels for boys and girls accommodating 1200 students. All the hostels have necessary infrastructure and modern kitchen. Library, fully computerized working systems, 15,847 titles and 48,902 volumes. The availability exceeds AICTE guidelines. 12,541 Indian, foreign journals, magazines, online journals from IEEE and ASME. Sports. Our sports facilities are extensive and well equipped. There is an indoor stadium as well as extensive space for outdoor sports. Bank, City Union Bank and Indian Bank and their ATMs are located inside the campus. Transport, numerous high-tech air-conditioned buses are being operated connecting almost all parts of the city and suburban for the convenience of students and faculty. Canteen, good canteen facility with healthy and hygienic food with accommodating around 200 students. Canteen has necessary infrastructure and modern kitchen. The recruiters for these colleges are Accenture, Wipro, Tata Consultancy Services, iGate Patni, HCL, IBM, L&T Infotech, CSC, Oracle, Mindtree, Hexaware, Tata Elxsi, Atos Syntel, Siemens, Verizon, BYD, Syntel, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Ford, Infosys, Virtusa, Emphasis, CSS Corp, Aviva, Prodapt, Car and Bajaj Serve. Result comparison from 2013 to 2017 in this college is around above 50% to 70%. You can contact college at 044 2745 4784 or 2745 4726 or 2745 1498. Web check-in at www.valliyamai.co.in. College is at SRM Nagar, Katankolathur, 603-203 and you can mail at srmvec@valliyamai.co.in.